In this video we will talk about wound filler options for negative pressure wound therapy. Negative pressure wound therapy devices such as Suprasorb CNP P3 have been shown to be beneficial in promoting wound healing for highly exudative wounds. To ensure optimal benefits of negative pressure, wound fillers need to be used together with negative pressure wound therapy devices. Selecting the correct wound filler is important because they improve the following. 1. Pressure distribution. They fill deep wounds and cavities, allowing the negative pressure to spread evenly across the entire wound surface, unlike simple dressings. 2. Exudate management. They absorb excess fluid and draw it away from the wound, helping to keep the wound bed clean and moist. 3. Tissue stimulation. The microdeformations caused by the vacuum stimulate cells, promoting blood flow, cell proliferation, and the formation of new granulation tissue. 4. Wound contraction. They facilitate the shrinking of the wound edges, bringing them closer together. 5. Infection control. Some fillers, like pathogen-binding mesh, help manage bacterial load. 6. Wound preparation. They prepare wounds for more definitive closure, such as skin grafts or flaps, by improving the wound bed quality. Lohmann Rauscher offers two options for wound fillers, the wound foam and the antimicrobial cotton gauze. Suprasorb CNP Wound Foam offers large pore wound filler, which is recommended for larger wound volumes as it adapts to the contours of deep and irregularly shaped wounds. Bridging techniques are also possible with the black foam. It can also be used for deep, excessively weeping wounds since it promotes the formation of granulation and it has high drainage capacity. The Suprasorb CNP Wound Foam is a polyurethane hydrophobic foam and is water repellent. It has open, cross-linked pores 400 to 600 micrometers in size. The Suprasorb CNP antimicrobial cotton gauze is also a good option for wound filler as it has polyhexamethylene biguanide, also known as PHMB. It promotes the attachment and growth of grafts and flap, protects sensitive structures in the wound bed such as bones, tendons, nerves, and organs. It attacks bacteria in the dressing, which reduces cross-infections and promotes a healthy environment for healing. It is easy to shape and provides longer dressing change intervals, allowing complex wound structures to be treated quickly. Since it's white, exudate can be assessed easily through the wound dressing. Suprasorb CNP antimicrobial cotton gauze is made up of non-adhesive material with high tensile strength, ideal for wound undermining and cavities. It has high density, which allows limited ingrowth of granulation tissue into the wound dressing. It is also hydrophilic and has antimicrobial coating of 0.2% PHMB. Here is the simpler matrix to identify when to use wound foam and antimicrobial cotton gauze. For your guidance, you can also refer to this matrix to identify which one is ideal for a specific tissue type and healing stages. To know more about our products, connect with us through our social media channels.